This tutorial demonstrates how to install the Bristol Nano Dynamics readback software. You may have been provided the software in the form of a zip file or a folder with all the necessary install components. I'm going to first navigate to where I've downloaded this file, and if it is a zip file, you'll need to extract the contents. Once the contents have been extracted, navigate through the folders until you can find the Bristol Nano Dynamics readback install, and there'll be a number, and this is the version number of the software. Double click this. Please click yes. Confirm the directories to which you wish to install to. Please read the license agreement. And if you agree to the license, please click I accept the license agreement. And next. And next again. The software will then install a version of Python and any necessary third-party Python libraries. Please click OK once that's completed, and you're done. Following the install process, you may be asked to restart your computer. You should be able to find the installed software either in your Start menu, or if it hasn't appeared automatically, navigate down to Programs that are installed, and you'll find Bristol Nano Dynamics Microscope Readback, followed by the version number. This tutorial has just showed you how to install the Bristol Nano Dynamics Readback software.